Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new product we're launching, which is a side molding kit for the 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Precision number is WSKF3844. Now, these are direct OEM replacements that have been field tested to ensure proper fitment. Some of the features are a liner to protect the high gloss finish, clip retainers molded into the molding, also anti-rattle foam on the moldings. These will complement our current offerings for this application, which are PCK 3844-14 and USMF 3844. Remember to ask for the WSKF 3844 from your favorite Autoglass distributor.